What's up, YouTube world? This Tiara Daddy, J Law. I'm back with some revenge prank. My daughter thinks she can prank me and get away with it. Nah, I ain't having that. Daddy, the OG of pranks. Be ready. I love you, girl. I'm doing a flower prank. So she in the shower right now. So when she get out, I'm gonna tell her go dry her hair. And let's see what her reaction gonna be. Come on. Let's set it up. Alright, we're gonna get the flour. Oh yeah. Perfect. Sit it down. I'm already have it plugged in. Right here. Let me see.
Dad,
What?
can you help me get the white shampoo out?
Okay, hold on. Close. Yeah. Put some clothes over it. I got some.
Mom said it's nappy because we get in the pool and stuff like that.
Wait for the comb to hair before you gonna get it. Put it on your hair. Do whatever.
You tried to prank me. But you couldn't because I was like this. I went in my eye.
Yeah, the camera's right here.
That's why I didn't get on in.
Well, I guess that was a fail.
Ha, Daddy.
I get it next time.
You saw. Like, subscribe, comment down below.